Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Tangem to your Coinbase wallet. Now first open up your Tangem wallet, and from this list of cryptocurrencies, you have to select the cryptocurrency that you are going to transfer. So I am going to transfer Bitcoin, so I will just select Bitcoin from here. And from this screen, you have to click on this send button at the bottom of your screen. And on this screen, just have to paste the wallet address from your Coinbase. Open up Coinbase app and then click on this receive button. So then you will be able to get your crypto address. So you just have to click on this Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency that is selected here, and from this list of cryptocurrencies select the cryptocurrency that you are going to receive. So we are receiving the Bitcoin, so I will just select Bitcoin, and then you will get your address. So just click on this copy button right next to your address, and then go back to your Tangem wallet and paste the wallet address in this area, and then enter the amount how much you are going to transfer. And lastly, you have to choose the network fee, low, normal or priority, and then click on this send button. And then you need to tap the card on your phone to complete this action. And once you do that, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from your Tangem wallet to your Coinbase. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.